everyone, my name is Lipsa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to give you an introduction on ChatGPT, its popularity, benefits, disadvantages and its uses for future generation. Today I want to talk you about an incredible technological advancement that has revolutionized the way we interact with computers and the internet. It is none other than ChatGPT, a sophisticated language model developed by OpenAI. This AI-powered tool has gained immense popularity and has numerous benefits, but it also has its fair share for disadvantages. Moreover, it holds great potential for our upcoming future generation. Firstly, let's discuss about the introduction and popularity of the ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and is capable of generating human-like responses to text prompts. It has quickly gained widespread attention. Let's discuss the introduction and popularity of the ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and is capable of generating human-like responses to text prompts. It has quickly gained widespread attention and has become a popular tool for various applications. The ability of ChatGPT to understand and respond to natural language has made it invaluable in fields such as customer service, content creation, and even educational tools. One of the major benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to save time and increases efficiency. By automating responses to common queries or tasks, it can handle a large volume of interactions simultaneously, providing quick and accurate responses. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that deal with a high volume of customer inquiries. However, it is important to acknowledge the disadvantages of ChatGPT as well. One of the main concerns is the potential for misuse or abuse of the technology. As ChatGPT learns from the data it is trained on, there is a risk of biased or inappropriate responses being generated. Steps must be taken to ensure ethical and responsible use of the technology, including robust content moderation. Another disadvantage is the lack of context and understanding beyond surface level information. While ChatGPT can generate coherent responses, it may not fully comprehend the underlying nuances or complexities of a situation. This can lead to incorrect or incomplete information being provided, especially in cases where critical thinking or subjective judgment is required. Looking ahead, the uses of ChatGPT for future generations are vast and exciting. This opens up possibilities for more immersive and initiative interactions with computer and digital systems. So in conclusion, ChatGPT has emerged as a powerful tool in the realm of artificial intelligence. Its popularity stems from its ability to generate human-like responses and improve efficiency in various applications. However, we must be mindful of its limitations and potential risk. By using ChatGPT responsibly and ethically, we can harness its benefit and pave the way for a future where human-computer interaction is more seamless and initiative. Let us embrace this technology while ensuring that it is used to empower and enhance our lives. So what are your opinions on ChatGPT? Is it beneficial for us or is it harmful for us? I would like to hear your opinion. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and thank you for watching.